Ready to showcase your YouTube videos in a beautiful gallery right on your WordPress site without any plugins. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a clean, modern video gallery using only the built-in features of WordPress 2025 block themes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display your best content, make your site look amazing, and keep everything lightweight and fast. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll do is add a columns block. Modern WordPress themes like 2025 have some powerful tools, and columns are one of the keys to building flexible, organized layouts. So head to the page where you want your gallery to appear and click the plus sign to add a new block. Search for columns and then choose a 3-column layout. This gives you room to showcase multiple videos side by side, which not only looks visually appealing, but also guides your visitors' eyes smoothly across your collection. If you need more or fewer columns, you can always adjust, but 3 tends to strike a nice balance between packing in enough content and avoiding clutter. Now, inside each of those columns, you'll add your YouTube videos. Click into the first column and once again hit the plus icon. Search for the YouTube block. This is a special block that WordPress provides just for embedding YouTube videos easily. No code or complicated settings needed. Once the YouTube block pops in, you'll see a field asking for your video URL. Head over to YouTube, grab the link of the video you'd like to feature, and paste it right there. WordPress will instantly fetch the video and embed it in a nicely sized player, simple as that. Repeat this process for each column, pasting a different video link into each one. Here's a little tip: if you want your gallery to look especially curated, think carefully about the order of your videos. For example, you might start with an introduction video in the first spot, your most popular content in the middle, and a call to action or your newest post in the third. Just like arranging art in a gallery, positioning matters. Once all your columns have embedded videos, let's give the whole section a bit of extra polish. With columns, it's easy for things to look disconnected. To tie them together visually, select all of your columns by clicking just outside the block area until you see the columns block highlighted. In the block options, choose Group. Grouping allows you to style the entire gallery section as one unit. For instance, you can add a subtle background color, maybe a gentle gray or a brand accent shade, to help the videos stand out from the rest of the page. Or if you prefer, add a border for a clean, boxed look. Grouping not only makes everything look more professional, but also makes it easier to move or reuse the gallery elsewhere on your site. And that's it. Your stylish, responsive YouTube video gallery is now live, with no plugins weighing down your site. Remember, all of these changes are built with future-proof WordPress tools, making this approach super stable and perfect for 2025 and beyond. So give it a try, and don't worry if you need to tweak or experiment with the layout. You can always come back and adjust things as you discover what works best for your content and audience. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials. Got questions or want to share your gallery? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video.